What's going on, everyone? Isaiah wanted to share with you guys a piece of Happy Mail he got today. Not Happy Meal, Happy Mail. He's excited to unbox this package. Unbox it with us. So let's go. Folks found that little Bipsy laced up my boy and even threw some stuff for baby girl. Let's take a look at it. What do you think, buddy? Wait a second, you can't wear that no more? Hold on. Woo! Bubba, you're looking good, buddy. You ready for your big adventure? Love it, love it. The quality, amazing. Little steps, big adventures. Let's go, buddy. Thank you, little Bipsy.